In this particular cell, which is D4, you can see I have I've written my name here with some styling and font decoration, some background color and border. What I want is, I want the similar styling of the font. For example, I written any name here, or you can say I just type Akash for example. I want the same styling, same font size, same background color to this cell also. Means that D7, the same as above. What is the way? The way is, we can select the background color from here, border from here, font style, font name, font size, then background color. Their solution is that we need to click the multiple options over here. But I want to do this just by using a single click. How we can do this? We can do this, firstly, you click here on this particular cell on which you just want to get that particular format, and click here on format painter. When you click here, it is selected now and selected, and just click over the text on which you want this particular font style, and I'll click here, and you can see it is automatically similar as the above. So this is how we can use the option called format painter for this type of font styling. If you like this video and the video content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all the updates, all the future videos and the courses available on this channel. Thank you.